Alright, so on the way to Jeju we go.
Starting Jeju off with some rain. Well, I mean, hopefully it'll die down. According to the weather, it will die down. I mean, hopefully, yeah.
And to be fair, the rain did die down after this. We stopped by at a small eatery somewhere just to quickly get our hunger satiated. Then after that, we began exploring.
My house, wind turbines are cool. The sea is very cool. Also kayaking, very cool.
We've also decided to drop by this cafe, Jokulong. I guess it's a play on word on chocolate cafe. The place isn't big, a little cozy, but I guess it fits the both of us. Also the view here, seaside coastal if you like that sort of thing. And this is how we end our evening. Next day, Jeju Island, here we come. So we start off at the port of Seongsan-po.
Well, look at this is our line.
So the seats are basically non-existent and we are supposed to be sitting on the floor. Could get quite seasicky. We rented a bike and this is our first stop. Surprisingly, they even have horses. So for our lunch, we stopped by Haha Ho Ho Udo. Apparently, their pork burger with peanut butter sauce is the best. So we ordered two actually. One is with the peanut sauce, the other one is the garlic sauce, I think, with two Americanos. And after that, we went and see rocks, and a lot more rocks. Oh, and also a cat. Please enjoy.
We found it!
Yes, that's our last Ole point. Gotta do some voiceover here, but basically what I'm trying to say is that it is extremely windy until my hair gets very messy. But on this tiny little island off towards the eastern side of Jeju Island, there are whole loads of wooden sculptures like this. Very magical, I tell you. And ending the day with some peanut ice cream and some soulful seafood soup dishes. And next, ladies and gentlemen, my personal favorite.
We are here. Let's see what does it look like. The cars parking in the entrance.
After the check-in, there was a little bit of walk, like a little bit of a walk. So if you're carrying a luggage, make sure that it's on the wheels.
There we go.
Which it is if you heard her say kumbaya. It does sound extremely relaxing in here, with that Japanese soulful lo-fi kind of sound. I'm happy to report that there is a cat here, and the story is that the owner just decided to adopt it as the cat just comes in one day into this place. So good morning. This is actually how everything looks like in the daytime. And that is all for our around Follies Day as we zoom on down to later in the day. We decided to drop by the Seokwipo Ole market to get our dinner here. It was so busy that there are cars actually lining up to go into the car park. And that's it, ladies and gents. See you tomorrow. So the next day, we arrive in Seoul Orrum, one of the many orrums that you can find around Jeju.
No joke, it is halfway up. Bring a good exercise shoe. Made it to the first pit stop. Started from there, and we climbed all the way up to here. From there, all the way up. It starts like down there, right? Slowly, all the way up to here. This is the first pit stop, and second pit stop is like right there.
And we finally reached the top. It was worth it. Look at that view. So we made it down, and there's a bunch of like fluffy cotton flowers here. Alright, I'm hungry. Let's go to the cafe. Here we ordered their chocolate croissant and their garlic bread. Told her it was the best. And also the avocado latte. Once you're done, remember to step outside into their courtyard. There's a lot of people here, but I tell you, there were a lot of photo opportunities. Like this one. Next, we drove by this Ocelot Tea Museum. A little bit too touristy for me, but here's what's inside. Went up to the rooftop to get some fresh air, and also a good way to end the day. But before that, we had some ice cream first, and of course for dinner,
Last day in Jeju.
and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll see you in the next one.